the complexity of compliance management in the country, how the tone from the top is changing, how board members have changed their view and attitude towards compliance, what kind of questions are coming up, why does it make compliance management more and more complex? Tell us a little bit about how you view compliance, how you've seen your organization view compliance, how the view in the board is changing, and so on.
Most of the directors, most of the board members are very, very critical in their view of how the compliances have been met in the organization. Earlier, I would say even 10-15 years back, it would typically be a parcha where, the form where the compliances have been met with and it's a tick with everybody signing on, was something which was perhaps a kind of activity with more of being a checkbox exercise. However, I do see board members now calling out specific points related to compliances, and with the looking at the way that tech has enabled the systems, and now that you have appropriate tools to showcase how the compliance funnel is looking at, I think it makes it much more transparent even to the boards, looking at various kinds of compliances. And when I'm talking about compliances, there are not only the the companies related compliances, but a lot of organizations, a lot of industries which work in certain specific spaces, which have very, very specific laws, which are again different for different states and which go on changing, and one single non-compliance can flare up and create a massive issue.